the meantime also speak of a suspected Pakistani balloon that has been found, an aircraft-shaped balloon that has been found in Samba. A Pakistani balloon that is now suspected was found in the Paluna village of Samba district, and this balloon, which features the logo of PIA or the Pakistan International Airlines, was recovered in a field by a local resident around 8:30 this morning, and the authorities there and the officials, security officials who were informed about it immediately, and they arrived at the scene to take possession of the balloon for further investigation. Let's get in a word from Pradeep, because if it is a prank or this is something as far as, this is the border there. As we are looking at the situation that has been unfolding, everything has to be taken seriously. And of course, with the locals there who have also been urged not to panic if they encounter with such, objects, and they are to simply inform the authorities about it. What is this PIA balloon doing in Samba, Pradeep?
Yes, that's a matter of investigation right now. The security agencies are trying to find out that where from this PIA balloon came, because this is not first time when this PIA logo balloon had been recovered in the border district of Samba or Kathua region. In the past also, twice here in this region, the balloon has been recovered. This time this aircraft balloon that has a logo of Pakistan International Airlines was found in one of the field at about 8:30 a.m. today morning. The villagers immediately informed police. The police party rushed to the spot. They have taken possession of that balloon. They are right now investigating. And they're taking it very seriously. Reason being that in June 2021, there was a drone attack on Indian Air Force station in Jammu region. Since then, any of these aerial objects coming over to the Indian side, they're taken very seriously. Right now, it must be appearing harmless, but there is every possibility that this balloon was carrying something, or it must have dropped something. There can be possibility. So they are looking into it. And there is every possibility that they can use this balloon even to drop some objects on this side of the border. So that's one of the reasons that investigation is going on. But they've asked people not to panic, but immediately they have been very happy with that. People
so as Pradeep is pointing out, this incident is not an isolated one, as there has been previous sightings of suspicious objects and drones near the international border in Jammu and Kashmir as well. Security forces are getting an update as far as this current situation is concerned, where the suspected Pakistan balloon has been sighted in Samba. Pradeep, thank you very much for the moment. With that, we head into a short break.